back to the channel. This is HowFast.
How's it going, guys?
Today is Friday, and it's a special day here in Chatham.
Very special day, yeah.
We've been talking about this for weeks. I'm sure you can see behind us and all around us.
Never, in my 30-something years in Chatham, have I seen this many people downtown for a parade. And you know, it's crazy.
It's insane. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people here. There's all sorts of vendors all over the place, and we're getting started. The first day, the opening night of Retrofest.
Yep. We've got a parade tonight. Probably introducing Miss Retrofest. Apparently, a couple mechanical elephants from the 1940s World Fair that RM has restored, and they're actually going to be walking through the parade. So
can't wait to see those.
Yeah, it's you know, be about an hour-long parade. I'm not 100% sure what it actually consists. I just found out tonight that there was a parade.
Well, so on top of that, following that is a huge car cruise, which we're of course gonna show you guys a lot of the cars. But there are how many cars? 600
cars registered so far, and that's not even including the cars that are just going to show up, local cars.
Probably like 1,000 cars.
Yeah, and that's just for the cruise tonight. Like it's, you know, they go up along the river. It's actually changed. It's going down English Line and stuff this time, down Queen Street, and then they do the tour downtown. You know, for most of the night. So
following that, there's a lot of bands and live music tonight.
Yeah, we got Walker 47, local band of doctors. I've seen them a couple times personally. Awesome band.
I've heard good things.
Yeah.
So we're open to catch them tonight.
Yep.
And who else?
They're opening for Sam Roberts band.
Sam Roberts playing tonight.
Yeah.
So we got a really busy day or night ahead of us, and another really busy day tomorrow, because tomorrow
we've got the actual car show.
The car show, Concours d'Elegance down at R&M. Yep. All sorts of kids activities that we're gonna go hit up.
Yeah, tons of free stuff in the park. You know, hopefully
Big Sugar.
Yep. Big Sugar at night, and hopefully a whole lot of cold bevies.
Yeah, that
local craft breweries.
Yeah, from like Sons of Kent, and they actually
Bayside. Actually, I forgot. Bayside's got a huge barbecue that they got from some restaurant, some caterer. So they're going to be set up. Tons of food and drinks.
Sons of Kent has made a special beer just for R&M's 40th, and I plan on going down and picking up a 6-pack of that.
We're definitely going to try that.
So yeah, we're going to keep you guys posted. It's really crazy around here, so stay tuned. Don't miss a thing. Okay, guys, so this is the beginning of the parade, and in the first car we have a big white nasty Cadillac, and guess who's in it?
It's a Bonneville, but it's
oh, it's a Bonneville.
I think that's Kid Rock. Is that Kid Rock?
It's the KID. With a gun on the back. The gun's on the back.
Yeah. Lucas, I'll play some music tonight.
Now we got something crazy. 1940 World's Fair mechanical elephant that RM's restored and is actually walking in the parade.
Look at this. Oh, that is American. Mechanical elephant from 1941. I hope that car's okay. That doesn't look good. Or he's got a rad leak. I don't think so.
That's leaking a lot of stuff there. He's shutting her down.
Uh-oh. Catastrophic failure.
Catastrophic. Oh, hello.
Catastrophic failure of one of the floats here, so one of the rides, unfortunately, is conked out right here. Sounds good.
That does sound nice.
A couple bottles of water.
He's wearing a couple bottles of water. That guy's smoking from under his jacket.
Is that a smoking jacket?
That is a smoking jacket, isn't it? So that's the end of the parade.
Yeah, it's the end of the parade. That was nothing too crazy, but lots of neat stuff in that parade.
Yeah, lots of unique stuff you probably wouldn't usually see.
No, not in a parade like this. You know, it just kind of goes to show you what this weekend's going to be like around here.
Yeah, and so now Derek and I, after watching that, are parched.
Oh,
I am so thirsty.
it's thirsty. Yep, I'm ready for a beer.
I think it's beer time.
Mama, my win. My car win.
Your car wins.
All right, guys. Well, we're kind of our thirst.
Our thirst
is quenching.
has been quenched.
Yeah.
Guys, look at, honestly, downtown here, we're right across from the very prestigious Spanky's
Yep.
strip club.
Strip club, yeah. It's a gentleman's club.
A gentleman's club, I'm sorry, I misspoke there.
Misspoke, yeah.
But cars ripping up and down the street here, like one-of-a-kind cars, beautiful muscle cars, classics. And they're just starting right now. They're about to pick up, so we're gonna fill you guys in with some of that footage.
Yep. Hopefully we'll see some classic cars. And some stuff.
Keeps going on, and they're about to pick up. A lot of the cars around here are gonna start rolling through, and we'll fill you in on that.
Oh, there you go.
Nova, here we go. Oh my goodness. Yep.
My dad should have a car.
Like a race car or like an old car?
His dad's got like his car collection 10 years ago was valued at $600,000.
One after another. Oh, guys, it smells so good down here.
Yeah,
It smells
the smell
so
of
good.
raw fuel and exhaust. No catalytic converters on these cars. That's awesome.
Beach cruiser, man.
Hey, that's the guy from the Winter News.
Oh, yeah, did you say?
Yep.
So yeah, like we said, the pace is expected to pick up, and we're gonna go pick up some tickets shortly here. We're gonna go watch Sam Roberts.
Walking 47, and hopefully Kid Rock.
You guys saw him there in the parade, and we've kind of heard through the rumblings in the crowd that he's gonna be performing tonight. So fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
We'll see if we can catch some of that. So guys, we finally got into the compound here at the Retrofest. We're at the stage. But first we're going to buy some tickets to get some more beer. Okay guys.
So, we're about to mic check Kid Rock.
Sing along. Now nothing seems as strange as when the leaves began to change. How we thought those days would never end. Sometimes I hear that song and I'll start to sing along. Then man, I'd love to see that girl again. And we were trying different things. We were smoking funny things. Making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping, not thinking about tomorrow. Singing sweet old Alabama all song long. God bless y'all. Have fun.
This is no joke! Yeah, that's it, basically.
Sorry about that. One down.
We got quite a few to go. Kid Rock was on and did a little, like, acapella.
Acapella acoustic.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
Rob Myers said a bunch of stuff that we could hardly hear, but I'm sure it was good-hearted and good-spirited. And now Sam Roberts is on, so let's catch up with some of that. So for those of you who haven't been ever to a concert, here's what you do when you want to get a good view. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. In Canada, you just say excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me very much. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me.
I don't fucking know.
Excuse me Hey, can I get one RM4? Is all you got?
No.
RM40. Thank you very much, miss.
Do you have any berry white? Two berry white.
Two berry white.
Give me that small bag.
We'll get this going again. Woo! Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. To walk away, I
So, we just left the bar.
Yeah.
The concert was amazing.
Yeah.
Kid Rock did a couple, I mean, he was hammered, but he did a couple little things or whatever.
He did a couple little individual pieces with St. Robert's.
Yep. Right now we're using the light of a church. St. Joe's Church, actually. It's a, nice church. Lots of history in Chatham.
What would Jesus do?
What would Jesus do right now?
He would use the lights from a church. And I've nearly lost my voice from screaming at Kid Rock and St. Robert's.
Yeah.
And
I'd like to say thanks to Sons of Kent and Rolling Rock for partaking in the events tonight.
Yeah, not necessarily sponsoring, but we'll take it as a sponsorship nonetheless.
Yep. So, yeah.
So guys, make sure you catch up with us tomorrow because we've got the car show, we've got the kids' activities, we've got Big Sugar, all sorts of stuff coming up. Make sure you don't miss it. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Have a good night, guys.